The Carpenter and the Silent Oak. In a quiet village nestled between misty hills, there lived a young carpenter named Haru. He was skilled with his hands, but his heart was full of doubt. Every time he started a new piece of furniture, he would hesitate, second-guess himself, and often abandon the work halfway. One day, the village elder asked Haru to build a simple wooden bridge across a small stream. "The old bridge is broken," the elder said. "Many people cross here every day. Can you do it?" Haru bowed nervously. "I will try, but what if it is not strong enough? What if it collapses?" The elder smiled and said nothing. Instead, he took Haru deep into the ancient forest and stopped before a towering, centuries-old oak tree. "Look at this tree," the elder said. "It has stood here through storms, heavy snow, and scorching summers. Tell me, does it ever doubt its own strength?" Haru looked up at the massive trunk and shook his head. "No, it just stands." The elder placed his hand on the rough bark. "Every morning the sun rises, and the oak does not ask, 'Am I tall enough today?' Every night the wind howls, and the oak does not whisper, 'What if my roots are not deep enough?' It simply grows. It simply stands. Its confidence is not loud. It is quiet. It is certain. Because it knows what it is." That night, Haru could not sleep. He kept thinking about the oak. The next morning, he went to the stream with his tools. Instead of hesitating, he took a deep breath and began working with steady hands. When doubt arose in his mind, he remembered the silent oak and simply continued, one careful cut, one strong beam at a time. Weeks later, the bridge was finished. It was simple, elegant, and perfectly strong. Villagers crossed it safely every day, praising Haru's work. One evening, the elder came to see the bridge. Haru stood beside him, looking proud yet still a little shy. The elder asked gently, "How do you feel now?" Haru thought for a moment and replied, "I feel like the oak. I no longer ask if I am good enough. I simply do what I am meant to do, with steady hands and a quiet heart." The elder nodded with a warm smile. True confidence is not believing you will never fall. It is knowing that even if you fall, you can rise again, just like the oak that bends in the storm but never breaks. It grows from doing, not from waiting until you feel ready. From that day on, whenever Haru felt doubt creeping in, he would close his eyes for a moment, feel the steady strength of the ancient oak inside his own chest, and continue with quiet certainty. And the people of the village would often say, "Haru builds not only with wood, but with the silent confidence of the forest itself."